In this video, we're going to cover the iVibration Pro version 4, a twin motor setup specifically designed for exercise and weight loss. The machine has a net weight of over 150 pounds. It comes in two boxes. What makes the machine unique is it has wheels on the back, so it allows for easy transport. The control surface on the tower has dual functioning controls and individual controls, so you can specifically design a workout that fits your needs. Either you want higher oscillation or higher vibration, the choice is yours. We have three vibrational patterns within the machine. Two of them is called circular oscillation. It's oscillation with a side-to-side translation. And then there's a 2 millimeter vertical lift up and down. The oscillation is 8 millimeters, so this provides an unbelievably efficient workout that you can tailor to fit your needs with all the controls within the tower. The version 4 has been upgraded with newer, more efficient motors that are smaller in size but provide much more torque. The combined output is 1100 watts that peaks out at over 18. The machine was designed so that you can exercise on the left or the right side without worrying about the plate jarring up and ruining the belt system. Another benefit to a dual motor system over a singular motor system is that you can divide all the energy and G-force that's produced by the single motor into two motors, putting less stress on the unit itself. And by having a dual motor system, it's going to provide for 300 to 500% longer lifetime than the cheaper ones you get on Amazon. I was first introduced to whole body vibration when I first got out of school, and I went to New Orleans and I had a chance to work in clinics that seen professional athletes with the Saints and the Hornets. The trainers were using it to improve eye-hand coordination, improve flexibility, to also speed up the recovery time from old injuries. Also from the hard workouts by moving the lactic acid in and out of the muscles that help the healing time so that they could train more often and harder without overtraining. One of the benefits of our machine is that the motors are so strong and the gearing is so reinforced is that you could put all your weight on one side, the left or the right, and do specific exercises, and you don't have to worry about the machine jarring up, distorting the frame, and wrecking the belts. This machine is powerful and strong. It was designed for heavy clinic use. An important fact to understand about whole body vibration is not so much the speed or the frequency of the vibration, but it's more on the amplitude of the vibration. How long is the stroke between the up and the down? Now, some of the cheaper ones are 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters. Ours goes up to 8. You're talking about close to 15.8 G-force at its top speed. The top plate that you stand on was specifically designed to overlap and then go down the base of the frame so that you can do upper body workouts and you don't have to worry about your fingers or hands being pinched between the plate and the frame.